Hey guys, thanks for watching my channel. If you enjoy watching my channel, please like and subscribe. Click that little button there, click that little bell there, click something, just click, alright? And comment down there. That's wrong. Don't go down there, just comment down there. Right guys, welcome to the future. Oh my god, that's not good. I was going to plug your phone in. Hold on. Oh, the man of the future. Always in communication. Never without energy. So, here we go. This is it. Remember mobile phones, guys. Hi guys. Hello. You want to charge your phone? Hi love. You want to charge your phone? I've got energy. Hey, you want to put a light bulb on? Because I can afford a light bulb. I've got willpower. So, that's the future. This is it. We made it. Diesel, petrol, generator, they can only electricity, and screw press. I'm off. Me and Wolf. What do you say, guys? You lot are going to keep buying it. The generator. So I'm going to point out that while I'm generating, you guys are buying fuel. Me, I'm going to go to the pub now. I'm going to turn the electric off because I've got power. You can make some out of this so you can do it well. But just plug down in one thing. You've got to rely on yourself now. This was in the scrap and now it's in the shed. So, one, this is the EdShed. We've done a compliment of it. It might be a bit of a bugger to have in the pub because it'll probably kill everybody. But you know what? Put it outside. You want a cigarette? I've got a cigarette lighter. I can run everything off that. I have become the producer of electric. Do you want to buy some? I buy electric, it's going to be really cheap. I'm going to price mine so cheap I can only afford to do a couple of people. Yeah. I produce electric, I sell it to my neighbours, every other house has a generator. Where you go with it? Cut down usage. Do you know, for all the people out there, if you want to save electric, do you know what you need to do? Turn off the fucking lights, turn off the television, turn off the everything, and if you don't use any of that, you'll save money. I don't care, because switching is so good, is it? Remember, you switch. Yeah, I noticed that's all stopped. Wonder why? Because I'm now starting my own company called Wolf Energy from the EdShed. Original, and as I said, it might not be clean. You know what? It's got to be cleaner than all them bloody Chinese and Japanese and Asians running around on bloody scooters. So yeah, and Indians, and possibly South Americans. So look, like you just say, you can make some everything using a favourite light. Screw it, because I'm now producing my own energy. I am the energy man. You can buy energy from me. I'm going to call it EdShed Energy. EdShed Energy, available locally only. But I wonder how cost effective it will be. I'm going to try. That's the next thing. I'm not an electrician, so please bear with me. But you know what? Scrap generator. Running like a little inflatable machine. You know what they say? Was it? Where there's mud, there's brass. And as I said before, I've got energy. You guys are paying for it. Okay guys, battery's about to die. So, we're going to show you what it's going to be like before we lose all my batteries. What it's like for you lot in 2030. Now, you can see it's got really dark. It has. But don't worry, because this is the electricity you guys are using. This is supplied from the EdShed. And the EdShed, it derives all its electricity from a green source. There. There's the green energy source. There she is. producing clean energy for me. So I don't have to plug in to the electric source. You know what? I think it's going to be fine, because when I look at my electric, and I realise just what I can see with my light. Look at it. This is gorgeous. My generator is producing 240 volts of bollocks. Right, she stopped me there. Maybe it's my light stopping. This is not good. Okay, so, right, every major energy supplier has had problems in the past. And I'm not going to say that I'm not one of them. So I'm having energy problems supplying. So don't start complaining about the lack of energy, because I think it might be something to do with the connections. Let me see. There we go, guys. Clean energy. Look. Well, we might have some issues. We might have some issues with our generation. But look, nothing that can't be sorted out, because I've got a generator and it's running. And it's a warm. It's called the warm. Not such a little guy, but it is. The other ones don't have it. There you go. Green EdShed. Green energy in the EdShed. Look, guys, it's not quite performing how I expected. I was hoping for more light. There we go, guys. That's it. EdShed Energy is up and running. So, EdShed Energy at the moment is possibly going to have to not supply lots of people, because we've got a little bit of a voice problem. We might be able to supply lots of people an LED, but we're not going to be having too many cows. And it didn't like the grinder. It tried, but it didn't like it. So maybe it just needs a bit of warming up. So I'm going to leave it warming up while I go and sort myself out, and I'll come back to this, and you can decide that classic cars with your own energy supplier, E-type energy. The actual things are limitless. It's going to be called E-type energy. We're going to be pricing it very reasonable. In fact, we're going to be pricing it very bloody reasonable, because I don't know how long that will keep going, and I don't know whether that will really do. Well, we'll see. I'm going to check out. I don't know anything about it, but I know the other ones have got a lot bigger. So maybe the other ones will run something bigger. Maybe I won't just have one little strip light. Maybe with my new energy, I will become the energy master, the man who can persuade to the 21st century. And I've got an idea to make an electric car, just like Clarkson. Put the generator in the back, run on batteries, job's good. Goes forever. Well, there you go, electric E-type. Anyway, I will say, that is a good looking car, even though the bloody roof's too high. But I think that Hurst idea, yeah, okay, give us in the comments if anybody watches the goddamn video because it's dark and you actually listen to what I've talked about for the last half an hour, then yeah, E-type first, make it a first. E-type first, make it a first, do your worst and it'll be your last. Bye guys, talk to you soon.